What's up guys, I'm Matt from Mazdaspeed3 Tapes. You're new around here. We have a Turbo S2000, Jake's. Corey has his IS300, has a 1JZ turbo swap. A lot of cool things going on. This is my Mazdaspeed3. It's full bolt-ons, a BNRS3 turbo, external wastegate out the hood. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys my review on the CPE exhaust. I have the full CPE exhaust, so I have the manifold, the downpipe, catless downpipe, and the Triton exhaust. And it's absolutely amazing. It's been through a lot. My car started as stock turbo, K4, and I rode that until it died, but it didn't last very long after I started getting tuned and stuff. But I had a stock exhaust just with a catless downpipe, stock manifold, with the mufflers cut out, so a straight pipe to a blast pipes, and that was very loud, and on decel it was raspy as hell. It was disgusting. Triton exhaust catback comes with like little baby ones in the back that you'll see. Other than that, it's still catless and it's still a straight pipe setup, I'd call it. Very small mufflers, if any, if you consider them mufflers. But it doesn't shoot flames with the tune that I have on it now, which is fine, but it does do pops and bangs, as it should, and it's read in the right places. I'm going to be showing you guys interior noise, interior sound, exterior sound. I'll be ripping it and just cruising to show you guys like the tones, if it has any drone, which I don't think it does. It's a lot to exhausts. I've been through a lot on my speed. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments down below. But we're going to get on to a cold start, and I'll see you then. Time to wake up the neighborhood. Talk about in the comments, but the VTCs are deleted in this car, which are butterfly valves in the intake manifold, so that is why it cracked and popped on the cold start. You can tune it out, but it sounds really good, and it's not the worst thing in the world, but it is misfiring, so I like it. Show you guys what we got cooking under the hood. Yes. Alright, there she is, a beautiful CPE manifold. I love it, guys, and it's been holding up great. I've had it for about 5,000 to 10,000 miles, no issues. The wastegate placement is awesome. The thing about this exhaust system, I think if you want to have the CPE manifold, and the way that the turbo mounts to that, the downpipe needs to be a CPE downpipe because your O2 sensor placement needs to be changed, and CPE is the only people that offer that the O2 sensor change placement because their manifold requires it. And they have a special flange on the end of their downpipe that only matches up to the Triton catback. It's just like a bevel end flange. It's just not like a normal 2-bolt or 3-bolt flat flange. Just so you guys are aware, if you want to buy one part of the CPE exhaust, you kind of have to buy the whole thing. Don't let that scare you, but like the flanges are to their own. you guys enjoyed the video so far. If you are, hit the like button. What the fuck? guys enjoyed this week's video, giving an overview, review, / sound test of my CPE exhaust. It is one of the best in the market. Highly recommend you purchase if you're in the market for an exhaust. If you guys enjoyed this week's video, make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly content every Wednesday at 11 a.m. and drop a comment what your favorite part of the video was. Was it the highway rips or the back road rips? We'll see you next week.